everyone and welcome to today's session on value for the bottom of the pyramid market. In our previous sessions, we have explored various aspects of BOP, including its introduction, its key characteristics, and the critical concepts of product and branding that are specifically designed to meet the needs of this unique market. We have also seen and understood the pricing strategies that are tailored for the BOP and rural markets, focusing on how to make products affordable without compromising on the quality of it. Today, we are going to take a deeper look into what truly constitutes value for BOP. For BOP consumers who are often price sensitive yet demand products and services that meet their essential needs, as we examine this, we will also explore how businesses can achieve and deliver this value through effective pricing methods. This includes understanding not only the cost aspect but also the emotional, functional and social dimensions of value from the consumer's perspective. Furthermore, we will discuss how businesses can create sustainable value for the BOP market by focusing on factors such as accessibility, affordability and social impact. We will also consider the role of innovation in designing value propositions that cater to this segment while driving business success. Through this, we aim to provide with a comprehensive understanding of how businesses and companies can balance the demands of profitability with the needs of low income consumers who falls under BOP sector. By the end of today's session, you should be able to identify key pricing techniques that businesses can use to reach BOP consumers and also understand the broader implications of pricing decisions for both the consumer and the business. So, let us dive deeper into the topic and explore practical examples of businesses that have successfully created value for BOP markets. So, let us first try and understand value and what it means for BOP consumers. Value for bottom of the pyramid consumer is a multifaceted concept that goes beyond the mere price of a product or a service. It incorporates several key elements that align with the unique characteristics and challenges which are faced by this consumer group. These elements include affordability, relevance, quality and accessibility, each of which plays a critical role in determining the perceived value by BOP consumers. So, let us see one by one. The first, affordability. Affordability is often the primary concern for BOP consumers. As their purchasing power is limited, products must be priced within their financial reach, which requires brands to adapt to the constraint of low income markets. For instance, mobile phone manufacturers such as Micromax, Lava, they are doing in Indian market, have introduced low cost smartphones that enable greater connectivity for the BOP segment. These devices are designed to deliver essential features without compromising too much on quality and ensuring that they remain within the budget of vast number of consumers. By offering affordable options, companies can significantly increase their customer base in these underserved markets. The second is relevance. The relevance of a product is equally crucial as BOP consumers are more likely to invest in goods that directly address their needs and which align with their cultural or social context. Products must be tailored to meet the unique challenges which are faced by these consumers. For example, Unilever's Lifebuoy soap is marketed with messages promoting hygiene and health, which resonate deeply with health conscious BOP consumers, particularly in rural or underserved urban areas. The soap's formulation, packaging, and marketing messages are all crafted to emphasize the importance of cleanliness in preventing diseases, making it highly relevant to this consumer group. The third point is quality. While affordability is a priority, BOP consumers are also concerned about the quality and durability of the products which they purchase. They may not have the luxury of purchasing frequently, so they seek value for their money through products that are perceived as reliable and durable. Take an example of Tata. Tata, which is a brand known for its commitment to quality, has successfully introduced affordable yet high quality products to the BOP market. For example, Tata's small cars such as Nano were designed with the idea of providing a reliable vehicle at an affordable price, aiming to balance affordability with performance and safety. Brands that offer dependable products even in lower price segments tend to build trust and long term loyalty with BOP consumers. The fourth point in view is accessibility. Ensuring that products are easily accessible to BOP consumers is critical, as many live in remote areas with limited access to traditional retail outlets. Companies must develop innovative distribution channels to reach these communities effectively. For example, Coca-Cola has expanded its distribution network into remote villages through partnerships with local vendors and small scale retailers. By making its product available in these hard to reach areas, Coca-Cola has been able to significantly increase its footprints in rural markets. This accessibility strategy not only enhances consumer convenience, but it also encourages repeat purchases by offering products within the reach of customer. The fifth point is innovation and affordability in distribution. In addition to making products available, companies must also innovate in the way they distribute these products. This could include offering small packaging, which allows consumer to purchase products in smaller quantities, thereby reducing any upfront cost. For instance, consumer goods and many FMCG brands like Nestle have introduced smaller, more affordable packs of food products in BOP markets. Such innovations make products more accessible to consumers with limited budget constraint, ensuring that they can still enjoy the benefit of higher quality products without feeling financially strained. Creating value for BOP consumers requires a deep understanding of their financial limitations, social context, and specific needs. Companies that succeed in offering affordable, relevant, high quality products combined with accessible distribution channel are more likely to earn the loyalty of this large and growing customer base. By addressing these key elements effectively, businesses can tap into the immense potential of BOP markets, and they can also contribute to their economic empowerment while achieving sustainable growth. To deliver value through effective pricing strategies in the bottom of the pyramid market, companies must consider the unique needs and constraints of this customer segment. The BOP market is characterized by lower income levels and diverse consumer behavior, requiring companies to adopt flexible and innovative pricing models. Here are some of the strategies that can be employed. The first one, penetration pricing. By setting an initially low price, companies can attract BOP consumers and encourage early adoption of their products or their services. This strategy not only helps in building brand loyalty, but it also accelerates the process of gaining market share in a competitive environment. Penetration pricing is effective for products that require mass adoption to achieve economies of scale, such as mobile phones or basic household goods. For example, companies like Faster Capital often use penetration pricing for their tech products, which are aimed at BOP markets, ensuring that the initial cost barrier is low, making the product more accessible and attractive to a wider audience. Second is value based pricing. This strategy revolves around pricing products based on the perceived value to the consumer rather than on the cost of production. It requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior, preferences, and the specific challenges which are faced by BOP consumers. Companies must invest time and resources in understanding how the product can improve the lives of the target market, considering factors such as convenience, quality, and the brand's social impact. For example, Corporate Finance Institute highlights that value-based pricing can be highly effective for products that solve pressing issues for BOP consumers, such as affordable clean energy solutions or educational tools. Here, the value perceived by consumers in terms of long-term benefits outweighs the immediate cost. The third is skimming pricing. In this model, companies introduce a product at a high price and gradually lower it over time. Skimming can work effectively when targeting different consumer segments within the BOP market, allowing companies to initially attract early adopters who are willing to pay a premium for new and innovative products. As the product gains wider acceptance, the price can be reduced to make it more accessible to the broader market. For example, according to Wikipedia, technology companies often employ skimming pricing when they are launching new smartphones or digital products. The initial high price targets higher income consumers, while later price reduction make the product affordable for the BOP segment. The fourth pricing is dynamic pricing. This approach adjusts prices based on real-time market demand, consumer behavior and competition. By leveraging data analytics and market insights, company can ensure that their pricing remains competitive while also providing affordability to BOP consumers. Dynamic pricing can optimize revenue for the company while still maintaining access for lower income consumers through tailored discounts or special offers. For example, companies in ride sharing or hotel industries often utilize dynamic pricing. What they did do adjusting prices based on peak demand periods. For the BOP market, this could mean offering discounts during off-peak times or providing loyalty rewards to ensure consistent accessibility. The fifth is bundling. Bundling involves offering several products or services together at lower price than if bought separately. This strategy can help BOP consumers access a wider range of products while offering a sense of increased value. Bundles could include essential goods like food, toiletries, and basic household items, or even services like micro insurance along with mobile phone plans. For example, companies like Unilever and Nestle have used bundling strategies in developing countries where they package essential items at a lower overall cost to attract consumers with limited disposable income. The sixth way is freemium pricing. Offering basic products or services for free while charging for premium features on it is another strategy that can cater to BOP consumers. Freemium model are often used in digital platforms where the basic service is free and additional functionalities or better experience come at a cost. This approach lowers the entry barrier for BOP consumers, allowing them to experience value before making any financial commitment. For example, Google and Facebook have effectively used freemium pricing strategies, offering free access to their platforms with additional paid features like advertising for businesses or premium accounts for users. By employing a combination of any of these pricing strategies, company can better align their offerings with the need and economic realities of BOP consumers, creating a mutually beneficial relationship that drives both profitability as well as social impact. So, to conclude, delivering value to the bottom of the pyramid market requires a deep and comprehensive understanding of the unique needs, preferences, and constraint of the consumer in this vast segment. This market is diverse with varying culture, economic, and geographical factors influencing consumer behavior. To effectively reach and serve this population, companies must go beyond traditional marketing strategies and adopt an approach that is both inclusive and adaptive. One of the key strategies is implementing appropriate pricing models that consider the financial limitations of BOP consumers while still ensuring profitability. Pricing must be affordable, but it should also reflect the value provided by the product or service. Companies that succeed in this market understand the importance of tailoring their pricing to fit within the budget constraint of BOP consumers without compromising on the quality or value of the product. In addition to pricing, ensuring product relevance and quality is essential. Products must meet the functional and emotional need of BOP consumers, which can vary significantly from more affluent markets. Companies must focus on designing products that are simple, durable and suited to local environment. Accessibility is another crucial factor, ensuring that products are easy to obtain and are distributed efficiently within the local context. It can significantly impact a company's success in this market. By focusing on these areas, pricing, product, relevance, quality and accessibility, companies can create sustainable solutions that not only meet the needs of the BOP but also contribute to their long-term growth and the profitability. It is not just about selling a product, it's about creating lasting value and building relationships within this often underserved segment. So, thank you for joining today's session. In our next class, we will explore the critical role of distribution channel and we will also discuss how companies can design and manage distribution strategies for this market. So, that is all for today's session. Thank you.